Ratatouille is a classic French dish of stewed vegetables in a rich tomato sauce. And it's good at just about any time of the day. I'm brunching it up by baking, almost poaching my eggs right into the sauce. Watch this. I've got a screaming hot skillet, and I'm about to add in some red peppers and some onions. There you go. Just the sound I was looking for. And a ratatouille is all about building flavors in this one pan. Speaking of flavor, the eggplant. And that really is the heart of this dish. I love eggplant because it's so meaty. And it's gonna add that really nice texture to this. It's gonna be so good, it's gonna stick to your ribs. Time to add in that garlic. And I like adding in the garlic at about this point so it doesn't burn. Remember, you cannot take the taste of burnt garlic out of anything. I know the pan looks really full, but all of these veggies are gonna cook down because I like to pack as many as I possibly can in this. This needs a little heat. Ratatouille always has tomatoes. A dash of balsamic for flavor, and some more tomato sauce to help make this really saucy. Look at how nice and saucy this is. And I told you those vegetables would cook down. It smells so good. Here's a trick to my poached egg. You just need to make a little well, and in goes the egg, tucked in. Easy, right? And now for one of my favorite parts, tangy and fluffy goat cheese. This beauty is ready for the oven. And at the same time, I'm gonna warm up a buttery baguette. How gorgeous are these colors in this pan? Wow. And it smells so good when it comes out, but it needs a couple of finishing touches. And I love basil on this. It adds some freshness and brightness of color. And my nana always taught me to just tear basil with your own 2 hands. Perfect. A fresh crack of pepper. And one of the first times I ate ratatouille, I started off with a fork and ended up using crispy baguette. It's the best. I do want to show you what the runny egg looks like, though. Have a look at this. Look at that egg just oozing out of here. But as you know, I can't eat that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab a little bite of the white, which is fully cooked. There you go. And this is so fun to bring straight to the table. It serves up family style. It's just fun. There is nothing like a warm, buttery baguette with this. I love how crispy it is. And that tomato sauce with all of those veggies, what a warming and hearty brunch.